Huawei's latest MateBook is here to redefine the ultra-portable experience with its new compact laptop, the Huawei MateBook X. The Huawei MateBook X's breathtakingly thin and light design feels nothing short of futuristic. It has a sleek, glitter-infused color finish that comes in either silver frost or forest green. Coming to the display, the 3K Infinite FullView screen on the Huawei MateBook X is stunning. It has a crisp 3000 by 2000 pixel resolution and minimal bezels, with a 90% screen-to-body ratio for immersive media viewing and maximum productivity. The display is also fully touch-enabled with multi-touch input support for gestures such as a 3-finger swipe down for taking screenshots quickly. Multi-screen collaboration also brings an improved and smarter mobile office experience. Aside from mirroring your smartphone's display on the laptop, you can also open up to 3 apps from your smartphone on the laptop screen for efficient multitasking and productivity. Copy and paste is smarter too, with clipboard sharing that allows you to copy text from one device and paste it onto the other. You can easily share files by dragging and dropping items from the phone screen to anywhere on the laptop, or open the files directly on the smartphone screen for quick editing. Another place where gestures work incredibly well is the trackpad, equipped with Huawei FreeTouch. Smooth to touch with satisfying tactile feedback, the Huawei MateBook X's trackpad is larger than previous MateBooks, giving you more space to control the laptop with greater accuracy. It also has support for multi-touch input and mistouch prevention technology, allowing you to use gestures more precisely. Under the hood, the sleek Huawei MateBook X packs powerful hardware that delivers the performance you need. There's a 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor inside, coupled with 16GB of RAM, which is more than enough to handle demanding workloads, from multitasking to creative projects. Battery life is another strong point on the Huawei MateBook X. Its 42 watt-hours battery capacity works in conjunction with Huawei's smart battery management system to support up to 9 hours of standard laptop usage. The Huawei MateBook X isn't all work and no play. The media experience on the Huawei MateBook X is complemented by a powerful quad speaker setup. With split frequency configuration, the speakers are able to emit rich 3D audio directly from under the keyboard. In addition to its lightweight and stylish design, the Huawei MateBook X also has innovative security and privacy features. The power button doubles as a fingerprint scanner, which boots up the laptop and logs you in securely at the same time for quick access. The webcam is built right into the keyboard instead of on top of the screen and only pops up when required. This is great for privacy and allows for minimal bezels on the display. Priced at 5,499 dirhams, the 2020 edition of the Huawei MateBook X is now available for pre-orders and comes with 1,299 dirhams worth of goodies.